All right, guys, today you're going to play Shuffle to 100. You're going to have these number cards that come in this box right here. Okay. You're going to shuffle these number cards and you're going to have a recording sheet. The recording sheet looks like this. You're going to take turns being the dealer, and the dealer shuffles the cards and deals 5 cards to each player, and the number sign goes up. So let's say that I was the dealer and I just gave that to my friend. Okay. My friend has 5 cards. They're trying to make a number that is the closest to 100. So if I have 39, I know 39 is close to 40. You're using those estimation skills. That's close to 40. And if I had 58, that's close to 60. Maybe that would get me close to 100. Okay, so this extra 3, I'm going to get rid of it because I do not need it. I'm only going to keep 4 cards. I'm making a 2-digit number with both of these. So what I would do is I would take and write 39 plus 58 up here because those are the cards that I made. I'm trying to get the closest to 100, okay? Because the closer I get to 100, the less points I have. 100 is kind of like where my starting number is. So 39 plus 58 is 97. Oof, I was really close to 100. So I would take this and I would say 100 minus 97. So I cross this out, 0, 9, 10. 3. I was only 3 away, so I have a score of 3. The person who has the lowest score on each of the rounds after you get the total wins the game. Let's do another one. Once I finish these cards, I put them off to the side. The next person deals. Have 6, 4, 4, 8, 6. Remember, you pass out 5 cards. Okay? I'm trying to think through my estimation skills, and I'm trying to get close to 100. I can go over 100. I'm just going to subtract it from it, but I'm just trying to get close. So 86 is close to 90. Okay. And the next smallest number I could do would be 44. Well, 90 plus 40, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. That's way too big. I don't want to do that. Maybe I can flip-flop these numbers. 68 plus 40. So 44. 68 is close to 70. 70 plus 40, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Okay, that's closer. Maybe if I do 66. So 66 is still close to 70, but it's still smaller than 68. So I can take that to the side, and I think that's the smallest numbers that I could get. Maybe if we do 46 and 46. Okay, 46 is close to 50, and 50, and that's close to 100. So maybe this is the closest that I can get. So you see how I'm just playing around with my numbers. I'm looking at them. I'm estimating. I know that 46 is close to 50. So let's try it. 46 plus 46, and I'm putting that on my paper here. 46 plus 46. That is 92. Okay, so I take this and I'm going to subtract 100 minus 92. And that is 8. Okay, so far I'm staying pretty small. I take these ones, put them to the side, put them with my other ones that are used. And remember, you're doing this for your partner and you. So you're passing out, technically you'll be using 10 cards at a time. Then I have the next set. This is my set. I'm not showing you what my partner is doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pass out 5 cards, and I'm trying to get closest to 100. Now this one is going to probably be bigger because I have a bunch of smaller numbers. I can make 43. I'm trying to get close to 100. And 32, that's probably going to be the closest that I can get. So 43, I'm writing this down on my paper. 43 plus 32. Because that's the closest that I can get. That is 75. I wrote that down. Now I'm going to take that 100 and subtract 75. Okay, so I go all the way over to my neighbor and I subtract it. 0, 9, 10. So we have 5, 2, 25. Oof, that one was rough because I was 25 away from 100. I got one more round, but remember, I could still be smaller than my partner. So my next one is 5, 7, 7, 8, and the last number is 3. Okay, remember you're shuffling them up, so you don't really get a choice on which one it is. We're trying to get close to 100. So I have maybe an 87. 87 is close to 90. That might be too big because the smallest number I have is 3. So let's try 78. 78 is close to 80. And I know 35. Okay, let's get closer. Let's try 37 and 75. Maybe 75 will round up to 80. 37 would round up to 40. So I know that 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Still too big, but that might be the smallest that I could do. Let's do 57. 57 is close to 60. 60 and 40. Ooh, that might be the closest because I know 60 plus 40, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now that I've thought that through, I can write 57 plus 37. 57 plus 37 is 94. Okay, so I got really close. That one's a small number. So 100 minus 94 is 6. Now that I've done all of my rounding, all of my adding, I'm going to take and add these score right here. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 25 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So my score would be 42. And I'd be looking at my partner to see what they got. If my partner had something smaller than that, then that means that they won. Remember, you're trying to get the smallest number possible. All right, good luck. Have fun.